Good morning, all. So the last class we started learning about awk command. So awk is also one of the powerful command. So with help of awk command, what we can able to achieve it. There are lot many advantages by using the awk command. Like where if you want to extract a specific field, so based on the delimiter you want to extract, or you want to search and filter that. Yeah, I mean if you want to make use of grep command, and if you want to add some conditions and filter the data. So these are the multiple scenarios. So for example, this is the command. So with help of this command, we can able to extract a first field. First field from LSI, I mean previous command output. So our command can also take the input as input from a file or from previous command. So this with help of this command, we are trying to extract multiple. So with help of this command, we are trying to extract the in the $5 fifth field. So which means that we are trying to apply some condition. So in the fifth field, so if the if fifth field contains the value greater than 200, so we are trying to extract those values. And here we are trying to apply the and conditions, where if you want to validate $3 is equals to ram and $5 greater than or equal to 200, we are trying to display. And similarly the same operations what we were trying to discuss. And even we can also give the input as a file. And if you want to use any delimiter, we have to use hyphen capital F. Hyphen capital F defined as a field separator. So with help of hyphen F, what we can do, so if the file is having a different delimiter, and if you want to extract fields, that can be achieved by using this field separator. So as part of that shell scripting, and also awk is one of the heavily used command. So here with help of this one, what we can achieve it. So nr is a command. So with help of nr, we can able to assign number of rows to a file. If you want to assign a line number to line number, then we can go with nr. So if you want to extract if you want to extract line numbers along with all the fields, then $0. So this is how we can able to extract the. So nr is equals to 5 means it will only displays the fifth field. So whatever the fifth field is available, with help of that we can able to extract it. And the pipe symbols. And even if you want to display the even numbers or even line numbers or line numbers, all those things we can able to achieve it by using awk command. So now let's see that. So awk hyphen hyphen help. So if you go with hyphen hyphen help, so we do have a hyphen f. Hyphen f is nothing but field separator. So if you want to assign a variable, so if you want to assign a variable, so I mean assign if you want to invoke the value of variable, so assume that you are trying to display a variable called a country. So country is equals to I mean name is equals to name is equals to ram. So this one, if you want to use as part of that, now there is a variable called name. Now you want to use this variable as part of our command execution. So in this case, we can use this hyphen v. So hyphen v is also one of the very important facility. So I will give you a couple of examples. And this is nothing but these are the extensions which are not needed. So I mean basically awk command is having. So what is the intent of the awk command? So with help of awk command, so we can able to perform a specific operations like extracting the field, search, and can display specific lines. There are lot many usages what we are having with awk command. What we are having with the awk command. So I hope it's everyone. I mean I hope everyone we have discussed this on last class. I hope everyone is clear on this one. So if you are still having any doubts, let me know. So okay, we can discuss. So this is also we have discussed. So this is about, yeah, arc command. Yeah. So as I said that, okay, the major options of, okay, the definition of the ARC is, so ARC is a powerful text processing tool used to scan and manipulate pattern in the files, okay, or input data like output from the previous df logs, whatever it is. So which means that ARC command can take input as a input from a file, or it can also take the input from, okay, previous command. So this syntax, okay, we have already, okay, discussed. So these are the major options. We'll also discuss about, okay, couple of examples on hyphen v. And hyphen v f means read arc program from a file. What do you mean of, okay, hyphen f? So we have been observing this hyphen f on multiple commands, even set command also. So what we can do is hyphen f means invoke a file. If you want to keep multiple arc commands and you want to apply all those arc commands in a specific file, so instead of writing, what we can do is we can keep all these commands in a file, and that file, okay, we can give input as, okay, I mean arc hyphen f, that file name, then okay, the source file name, so that if you are going to keep, okay, more than one command, so there are, okay, 10 valid arc commands. Those 10 valid arc commands you want to apply it on a multiple files. So in this case, okay, we can go ahead and, okay, use this hyphen f. Similarly, we can also use it for the same option. Hyphen f is for set command, is, okay, same for grep command, and, okay, even these are the places, okay, where we can able to, okay, use, okay, hyphen f. Hyphen f means the options are, okay, same. So to invoke a file, to invoke arc program from a file, or, okay, to invoke, for example, if it is a set, so read, okay, set program from a file. If it is a grep, read grep from a file. So which means that hyphen f can be used, when we can use this hyphen f, if you are going to keep, okay, multiple, okay, commands in a, okay, file, and if you want to invoke that file as part of execution, then, okay, we can go with, okay, hyphen f. So these are the, okay, variables we know about. Yesterday we already learned about dollar zero. What is the intent of dollar zero? We might have seen that to read, okay, entire line. So, okay, we go with, okay, dollar zero. Dollar one, dollar two means individual fields. So FS is a field separator. This we already discussed. And OFS means output field separator, that I will tell you. So RS means, okay, record separator. So what is the meaning of record separator? By default, between the two records, what is the separator? Backward slash, okay, new line. So new line is the default separator. If you want to change that, okay, we can able to, okay, change it later. But okay, we never go with, okay, this RS. And ORS means output record separator. So for example, okay, if you want to use the different, record separator, we can use this. So this we already, okay, learn about NF, number of fields in a current line, and NR means number of records, okay, lines, and FNR means line number in current file. This we can also achieve with, okay, NR. So file name, okay, current, okay, input, okay, file name. So this syntax we already learned. So this is also we have learned it, and, okay, this also, okay, we have learned it, and, okay, this is also, okay, for example, so if you want to, okay, use, for example, what is that, okay, I mean there are two types of, okay, two styles of syntaxes, right? So if you want to, okay, with help of this command, so I can, arc hyphen f, so hyphen f means field separator. So we're also having a begin, and, okay, we're also, okay, which means that there are, I already told you that arc is having a two styles of syntax, one command line syntax, and, okay, program style syntax. So in a program style syntax, we are going to use this, okay, begin keyword. It should be in capital letter. So, okay, begin and, okay, end. So, okay, begin and, okay, end. So, okay, here, so, okay, begin. So what is the, okay, OFS output field separator, and, okay, print. So let's see, okay, try to, okay, use this one. So what are trying to achieve here? So basically, okay, basically etc pass wd is a colon delimiter. So instead of colon delimiter, what are trying to achieve? We are trying to use this, okay, okay, pipe symbol. So instead of, okay, colon, we are trying to use the, okay, pipe. And similarly, we are trying to print, so etc pass wd. So we can also, okay, print, okay, we can also, okay, specify. So, okay, end, okay, we can also specify the, okay, end. So, okay, end. So, okay, we can also specify, okay, any kind of operations, that also we can able to, so achieve it. OFS means output, okay, field separator. So OFS is defined as a output, okay, field, okay, separator. So what is the meaning of, okay, OFS? while displaying the data, if you want to change that, okay, we can able to achieve it. For example, so we can also, okay, we can also achieve it without of, okay, this as well. We can also achieve, okay, without of, okay, without of okay, YFS as well. So you can also, okay, remove this, okay, YFS. So okay, we can also, okay, remove this, okay, YFS. So okay, this is, I mean, okay, here. So instead of, okay, single, I mean, okay, in this ways we are trying to get, okay, space. By default the space is the delimiter, right? So if you want to, okay, change this, okay, comma and all, so okay, if we can change this, okay, YFS. So okay, here also we can able to specify. So okay, YFS is equals to, so if you want to, okay, specify as, okay, some other, okay, delimiter, so some other delimiter also we can able to, okay, specify. So YFS is nothing but mainly to change the, okay, field separator, to change the field separator while trying to print the, okay, data, while trying to print the, okay, data. So that is the, okay, main intent of this, okay, YFS. So I hope it's, okay, clear for, okay, everyone. So okay, here, okay, instead of comma we are having ampersand. So this is how we are trying to, so print the data on, okay, screen. So YFS is also one of the important option, where if you want to change the field separator, so where if you want to change the field separator, then okay, we can go ahead and, okay, use this, okay, YFS. So okay, similarly, so we do have a, okay, different options. This we already discussed. So if you want to print, okay, only lines matching a pattern, the same way as similar as, okay, this works as a grep command. So this we already discussed. So this is also one of the, okay, important, okay, facility. Let me, okay, show you that. So now we can also use, okay, program style syntax. So ls hyphen, okay, lrt. Now you want to count the size of, okay, the 13 plus 22 plus 6 plus 86. You want to count the, okay, sum of, okay, all these values. You want to count the sum of, okay, all these values. So in this case, what we can do, we can also use this, okay, we can also, okay, use okay, we can also use okay, arc command. We can also use this, okay, arc command. So here, so okay, in this case, for example, like if you go on, okay, here, so what is that, okay, fifth field here, 1 2 3 4, okay, 5, 1 2 3 4, okay, 5. So now, so we'll get that total is, so okay, total is, okay, total is double nine, okay, 24, double nine, okay, 24. So okay, if you want to, okay, here, so we are trying to go with, okay, program style, okay, syntax. So okay, let me try to explain you, okay, very clear how it's going to, okay, helpful. So as you know that, so ls-lrt to display the list of, okay, files or directories in current directory. So we are trying to achieve the okay, here. So this is the okay, okay, this is a operation. What is the arc operation we are trying to do? We are going to specify sum is a one variable. I am going to declare a variable, okay, sum, and for that sum by default, okay, the starting value of okay, the starting value of okay, starting value of the starting value of okay, sum is of, okay, sum is, okay, 0 by default, okay, it will be having a, okay, 0. So now what I am trying to achieve, sum is equals to, okay, sum is equals to, okay, sum plus, okay, sum plus dollar 5, sum is equals to sum plus, okay, dollar 5. So okay, the main beauty of shell scripting and Unix is you need not to declare the variables, okay, before okay, before executing those command or before executing the program. We can okay, we can okay, define a variable whenever you want, and we can also make the changes of the variable whenever you needed it. So that's why I'm trying to define a variable sum. Okay, okay, sum. Okay, directly I'm defining a variable, okay, sum is equals to sum plus, okay, dollar 5. Just okay, end, okay, in that, okay, end, I'm trying to use, okay, print total, okay, dollar, okay, 5, print total dollar, okay, 5. So so even though if you are going to, okay, keep this way, or okay, if you are going to, okay, specify in this path, both are, okay, same. So both are, okay, same. Sum is equals to sum plus dollar 5, or okay, plus is equals to dollar 5. In this case, how it works means we are trying to, okay, reduce the, we are trying to shorten the program, I mean shorten the commands command. And okay, in this way, if you are okay, the intent of this guy is same, sum is equal to sum plus, okay, dollar, okay, 5, sum is equal to sum plus dollar, okay, 5. So what are trying to achieve here? So now dollar 5, so starts with 0, right? 0 plus 13. then 13 plus 22, 22 plus okay 6, 6 plus 86. And here how it okay, how every command in Unix works is it always takes the input as line number 1. If the once that okay, once the okay, whatever the command you have specified, so once it executed on all the commands, okay, once it executed okay, all those commands, now it moves to the okay, next line. Now the command will goes to the okay, next line. Then once it is completed, okay, next line. So once it is completed, okay, next line. So next line. So if your input is having n lines, your okay, your command executes n number of times. If your okay, input is okay, if your previous command output contains that 100 lines, this loop will iterates 100 times. This loop will iterates the 100 times. So first what it does, sum is equals to, I mean by default if you are declaring variable in Unix, the value of the variable is 0. So now sum is equal to sum plus $5. What is the default value of sum? 0. What is the first value of here? 0 plus 13. Now the next line, 13 plus 12, 12 plus 6, 6 plus okay, I mean, so okay, here okay, 20 okay, okay, here okay, 35, 35 plus 6 okay, okay, 41. So like that okay, the value will be okay, for example if you want to see whether this is correct or not, we can also okay, use okay, some of other programming languages, but 100% the value will okay, matches. Double line okay, 24, double line 24 value will be okay, matches. So this is how we need to be okay, analyze how that okay, this is a program style syntax. So here, so okay, here okay, the loop and all it's automatic, right? You need not to be defined as a loop. So what are we trying to achieve here? We are just trying to achieve it. Sum is equals to sum plus $5. We are declaring a one variable. So okay, that variable we are trying to okay, that variable okay, we are trying to okay, print. So as part of okay, print, so total okay, sum. So okay, I mean begin, I mean this is a program style syntax, right? Begin and end are the okay, end are not mandatory, they are optional. So okay, here now we want to display this variable, right? In order to display the value of this variable, we are going to use this okay, print total comma okay, sum. This is how this is okay, we need to be so analyze very one of the very important option. So here also, so what is the okay, average of column? So how do we calculate the okay, average of column? So the same command, so okay, the same command, so we are trying to okay, use so ls-lrt, so awk sum is equals to sum plus okay, $5 comma okay, count, so print okay, average comma, so average of okay, this one. So in this case what are we trying to achieve here? So we are trying to okay, we are trying to okay, sum, and we are also trying to count the okay, number of lines. So count is equals to count plus okay, I mean count plus, so okay, by default plus means okay, these are all the arithmetic operations. By default it will try to okay, add 1 so okay, here, so in this case okay, the average is 300.7. For example, if you want to write in a program full program style syntax, okay, s is equals to, or okay, sum is equals to okay, sum plus okay, sum plus okay, dollar okay, 5, sum plus okay, $5, then okay, count is equals to okay, count okay, plus okay, count plus okay, 1, so okay, count plus 1, okay, then flower brackets this way. So okay, here what are the default values? The default values of sum is okay, 0 and count is 0. I am going to declare the two variables. Sum is the one variable, count is another variable. So here what is that okay, count? So if you want to count the number of variables, so we can also okay, use okay, we can also display comma sum comma okay, count. We can also display these okay, values okay, as well. So how many lines are there? So ls-lrt pipe wc okay, l. So 33 are there. The same 33 we are trying to display the okay, then the value by 33 will okay, will get it as okay, average, right? So value 33 will get as okay, average, right? The same and okay, here okay, as well. So ls-lrt, so sum is equals to sum plus $5 and count is equals to count plus $1, then end okay, print average sum by count, whatever. So this is arithmetic operation. So you know that okay, the total, if you are if you want to identify what is your average marks on your 10th, so total marks by okay, 6, whatever the output you are getting, that we are trying to identify the average, right? So into 100, so you will get the okay, average. So here also the okay, same way. So not okay, for example okay, this kind of program will be assume that okay, if you are having a file, so that file contains okay, some important okay, information. So important information in the sense like Okay, mainly okay, it contains okay, the data of okay, mainly okay, it contains assume that okay, simple. You are going to a okay shop. Okay, let's take an example of a grocery shop, D Mart or somewhere. So once you go to a D Mart, so okay, then okay, you are going to purchase some articles. So then after once you go to a billing, then they will ask you that tell me your name and phone number. Then they will try to add all your items. So for example, if you purchase okay soaps into four, how much cost? So then all if you purchase 20 articles, okay 20 okay 20 articles, 20 lines. So then there will be individual okay bill. So at the end of that okay there will be a down. So you will be also having a total amount. You will also be having a total amount. So if there is any discount, so total discount and okay total amount you are going to be paid. So in this case you will go and okay use this okay arc command. So arc command, how do you do that? So first what we do, so okay we will try to display arc okay arc so we are going to say that okay arc okay then okay in single quotations okay begin. So what kind of program okay we will write here? So okay we'll try to okay write. So okay we'll try to okay display say arc. So okay arc okay begin. So okay begin. So okay we'll try to okay use this okay arc okay begin. So if it is a field separator is okay different. So we can also okay specify okay field separator nothing, right? So okay here okay begin, then okay flower brackets, then flower brackets. So okay then okay flower brackets. So okay we can also okay specify that. So every operation okay should be in a okay every operation should be in a okay single quotations. So okay same way and okay here and okay end. So okay end. So okay end okay here. So we can also specify stating that okay begin. So okay welcome to that. So welcome to okay welcome to okay welcome to our shop. So for example, okay, name. So welcome to our shop. So then, okay, your phone number. So whatever it is, so your phone number is okay below are the your articles. Below are the okay your okay, articles. So then okay, it will says that. So okay, item code. So okay, item name, quantity. Okay, then price. Okay, discount. Okay, total. Okay, price. So each line. So at the end, so okay, total okay discount. So total okay discount. Okay, total amount, and okay saved amount. Then okay at the end, thank you. Okay, visit again. So if you want to okay okay achieve this kind of functionality, then okay we can go ahead and okay use this. So okay we can go ahead and okay use this okay arc command. So if you are I mean so okay, this is one of the okay, use cases for this is one of the so okay use cases okay where we are trying to so okay use it. I'm not I mean this way, then okay file name, then okay file name. So once we are trying to okay, provide a input as a file name, then automatically okay we can able to achieve this kind of okay program. So okay total and sum we can count individually okay each line, then accordingly okay we can able to okay do that. So similarly, so arc with okay shell variable. So as I said that okay if you want to okay display okay for example okay you are going to define a variable. So arc hyphen v. So user is equal to this one, and okay if you want to okay print okay that one. So as I told you that. So okay if you want we can also display in local, and if there are any in etc pass wd. So if user is equals to okay root and okay if you want to fetch those details, then okay we can go ahead and okay use this. So pass wd. So pass wd also we can able to okay use it. So etc. So pass wd. So this way we can able to okay achieve it. This way we can able to achieve the so functionalities. So if you want to print the line numbers, this we have discussed. So if you want to print the first five lines, so if you want to print the first five lines, how do we achieve this print file line? ls hyphen lrt. So nr less than or is equals to okay 5. So first five lines we can able to display. Greater than or equal to 5, next okay 5 lines. So if you want this okay display that again in a specific range, we can also okay use that. So this is to change the okay, field separator, and okay this is the multiple conditions if you want to specify multiple conditions. So $3 greater than 500 and okay, $4 less than this one. So okay, this is another way where if you want to count the okay word occurrences. So for example, okay, assume that. So okay, you are having a file, and okay, if you want to count the number of occurrences of okay each word, then okay we can okay use this one. For example, okay, cat abc dot okay txt. Now you want to know that how many times the keyword okay India is okay repeated. The keyword, so okay India is okay repeated. So in this case, then okay we can okay use this okay arc. So for example, okay here, okay file abc dot okay txt. State like TCS one time, India is okay two times, and okay India is one time and each line. So this is how it's trying to be okay displayed. So this much of complicated are not needed. So but okay we can able to achieve so all the okay details. For example, okay, from the command prompt, this we already okay discuss. So find the okay max value in a given okay in a given column. So okay, if dollar to get that I can make max. So if you want to print that lines, so okay, that also we can able to okay achieve it. ls-lrt. So okay, for example, okay here. So okay, if you go with the arc begin, max is equals to 0. If $2 greater than or is equal to max, so max is equals to okay $2. Then okay print if you want to print okay any specific lines, we can also okay display. So in the what is that okay here in the second line what is the maximum? 96 is the maximum. We are trying to okay display that. So whereas okay if we try to okay use this okay $5, so okay $5, so greater than or greater than okay max, then max is equals to $5. So max is 4096. If you want to display the like, maximum value, that also we can able to achieve it. So here we can observe that we have defined okay begin, and we also use that okay and. So if you are getting a confusion, so what I can help you is, so here ls-lrt, so arc. So okay here okay begin. I have okay here I am going to declare one variable. The variable name is okay the variable name is okay max. Max is equals to okay 0. And okay I'm trying to specify the if conditions. If $5 greater than okay max. The starting one max, what is the default value of max? Even though if you're not going to define this, so even though if you're not going to okay, define this, okay, our program will be executed. If $5 greater than okay max, then max is equal to $5. So each line it will try to evaluate. So whether that number is greater than of this number. If that is the number, okay, try to okay hold it. Try to okay hold it. That's so that way also we can able to so achieve it okay by using this okay arc command. So as I told you that okay, if you want to okay create a script file, we can also just use a hyphen f and script dot the same commands we can specify, and okay we can okay, use this. So here is using the custom record separator. So but record separator okay we don't want it. So if you want to use that okay custom record separator, just okay rs and all okay we can okay use it. So print the file name and okay line number. So this way we can able to print the file name. Okay, nr and okay print the if you want to print the last field $nf. So $nf means okay if you want to extract the okay, last field. So this we already okay discussed. Arc in single quotations okay print okay dollar. So okay dollar okay nf. Okay then we can able to get the okay last field from okay each file. Whereas okay if you want to okay even if you want you can also extract if you just mention without of dollar, it will display the number of fields on each line. Whereas okay if you are trying to use okay if you are trying to okay use okay if you are trying to okay use $nf, it will print okay it will print the last field. So nf means okay number of fields, okay we can able to okay do that. So okay here, so if you want to print okay, if you want to print okay last two fields, so if you want to print okay last two fields, even last two fields also we can able to so okay extract it okay by using this okay command. So for example okay here, so dollar of so okay dollar of so nf minus okay 1. So what this guy does? So what this guy does? So here print nf. Nf means okay number of okay fields. So, so NF means number of fields, right? Number of fields minus 1. So in this case, what will be the output? If it is a 2, 2 minus 1. If it is a 10, 10 minus 1. If it is a 7, 7 minus 1. So similarly, we are going to get, okay, we are going to get, okay, last, okay, last, okay, two fields. Last two fields from a, okay, file. last two fields from a okay file. So in Unix, we can able to perform the mathematical calculations by using okay different ways. Okay, we are having a so in Unix we can perform mathematical calculations either by using okay BC and okay let and along with okay let so by using okay by using this okay by using this okay brackets by using this okay brackets. So let me try to do a mathematical calculations by using so dollar. So for example, okay, if you want to okay, achieve, so okay here, so okay 10 plus, okay 10 okay plus okay 20. So we are going to get the so value of okay where this is how we can able to okay perform the mathematical calculations in okay Unix. So okay, this is the best way we always okay use. So as part of okay programs also, so okay we use okay this pattern. So 10 plus 20, okay 30. So even so this okay if you use this one, so what are you trying to achieve? So okay this is a one way to perform a mathematical calculations okay in Unix. So 10 plus 20, so 30. So if you are not going to okay, use this okay dollar symbol, we I mean it will be a syntactical okay error. So if you want to okay perform okay if you want to okay perform mathematical calculations by using this okay bracket symbol, so we have to be okay specified okay this way. Whereas if you go with okay 10 minus 20, so you will get as a output. So 10 okay star 200 okay 10 divided by okay 0. So okay 10 percentage. So okay we'll get as a this one. And okay if you go with okay two star symbol, okay it will okay it works as exponential. So this way we can able to perform mathematical calculations okay in okay Unix. So okay this is the straightforward way to perform the operations in the same way. So what are the what which command okay I have used it? So I use the so okay here, so with help of okay this command, what I'm trying to achieve here, NF. You know what is the meaning of NF? NF means number of fields. How many fields are okay available? So I mean each line, whichever the fields are available, we are trying to we are trying to get it. And minus one means okay if the line contains the 20 lines, 20 minus one 19. If the line contains 17 lines, 17 minus one okay 18. So my requirement is I want to fetch okay last two fields from a file. I want to fetch okay last two fields from a file. So this way we can able to okay achieve it. This we can able to achieve it okay last okay two fields from a okay file. And okay you should also remember how to perform the mathematical calculations okay in Unix. What is the one way by using the dollar followed by okay brackets. So this we can call as a expressions. This we can call as a okay, expression. This is the one way to perform a mathematical calculations. And other way to perform the mathematical calculation is okay BC. BC we can call it as a okay basic calculator. So I think BC is also not there. So okay BC and okay, let commands. So both are the way to perform a mathematical calculations in okay Unix. So okay where since the BC command is not installed, so we have to go with so this option. Allow me some time today to definitely I will show you okay how to install the okay softwares from internet and okay we can okay get it. So any doubts on okay here? So arc is one of the powerful utility where okay arc, set, okay find, grep, okay and okay these are the four commands. We use it okay as part of okay as part of okay operations. As part of the operations, if you want to use it, then okay we use okay these commands. So any doubts? Say yes or no.
No.
but awk is one of the very important command. So I just explained about awk only 5 to 10% only. There are lot many options, okay, we can able to explore, and okay, we can okay, try that. So now, for example, assume that I have a file. So let's take it as catabs.txt. Now I want to okay I want to insert okay I want to insert Bharat between one and okay two. So between, so okay, this is the first field, this is second field, right? I want to okay insert okay in between. So I want to insert, so okay in between okay in between of this one. So in this case also we can go ahead and okay use this okay arc command. So I can't remember okay every syntax. That's why okay I'm trying to okay, search. So for example, okay, if you go and look at this pattern, so there is a file, so okay, -1 or something. Now you want to okay, insert okay, some data in between of okay, this one. So how are they going to okay, achieve it? So this is the column 1, column 2, column 3. So column n. So can okay new file 1 or file 2. So even this way also. So if you want to okay, achieve it, so okay we can okay I mean we can okay even it also allows us to so insert the data okay in between of the okay lines. So with the help of set command, what we can do, so we can able to okay, insert okay beginning and okay end of the line. Whereas okay if you want to insert like in between, that okay we can able to achieve it okay by using this command, and set also we can able to okay achieve it. So any doubts? So arc. So if you want to okay insert like in between, so let's try to okay use it. So what is our field separator hyphen f? So comma. So okay comma in single quotations. So I want to insert okay $2. So $2 is equals to $2 is equals to okay arc. Arc and okay set. Arc and okay set. So $3 is equal to arc and set. So okay space is needed. So why do we require okay space? Okay, we require okay space okay in order to okay differentiate the okay fields. Okay, then okay dollar okay two. Okay, then okay $2. Okay, then okay $2. Okay $2. Okay, then okay print. Okay, print okay dollar okay zero. Okay dollar zero. Then abc dot okay txt. So in this case, so okay here, so we are trying to okay achieve. So okay, I think something we missed it. So okay, here is the okay field separator. So okay, we are going to specify what is the field separator. Okay, here comma, and $3 is equals to okay engineer. Even you can able to achieve it. So here everything is I mean okay even single quotations, and okay everything okay creates a matter. See, we are okay we are able to okay, insert arc and okay set okay in between. So whereas okay if you want to okay, insert in okay fourth field, you just mention okay $4. So $4, and okay we can also okay do that. So $4 okay we are going to insert the value called value at so okay fourth field. We are trying to okay insert it. That is the, so if you want to okay, insert the data into a new file, just similarly greater than symbol. You can also use the greater than okay symbol. That way also we can able to achieve it. So okay, if you want to insert in okay different fields, also we can able to okay use it. So these are the, so even we can also use okay variables and all, that is also okay different okay facility. So for example, okay, assume that I'm going to okay, use okay, arc-v. So okay, arc-v is nothing but okay, variable, right? So okay, new okay, field. So new field okay, is equals to so ABC okay, 1 2 3. So okay, ABC okay, 1 2 3. So it should be in a single quotations, otherwise okay, it will throw the okay, error message. So arc-v. So we are trying to okay, use it and single quotations. So okay, print. So now $1, comma okay, $2, comma okay, dollar okay, okay, dollar okay, dollar through, comma. So new field, comma okay, dollar okay, 3, comma okay, new field, comma okay, $4, okay, dollar okay, 4, comma okay, new field, comma okay, dollar okay, 9. So dollar okay, 9. We can also use for ls hyphen okay, lrt pipe symbol. ls hyphen lrt and okay, pipe symbol. So okay, at the end, okay, we have missed the single quotations. So we are going to so get it. ABC 123, ABC 123. We are trying to get it. So if you want to add a space, what we can do? So we can okay be having a space before and so after. That is the intent of okay okay spaces. So dollar okay third field we are going to insert ABC 123, and okay fifth field we are trying to insert ABC 123. Seventh field also we are trying to insert the ABC dot okay 123. So if you mention okay here again okay $0, it will print okay everything. It will print everything. So these are the different options we are having it on. Okay, we are having on. So okay, we are having on okay arc command. So if you want to search for okay only that okay arc, so okay we can go okay use this okay facility. So for example, like in the same command, so I want to okay, eliminate the okay, duplicates. I want to eliminate the okay duplicates. I want to eliminate the okay duplicates. How can we eliminate the duplicates? So now, so okay now arc. So single quotations okay print okay. So if you want to extract that okay second field and all, so you want to extract okay all the fields, right? So for example, you want to okay remove that okay. I mean so now you want to okay now you want to okay sort this file, you want to sort the okay data. If you want, you can also use the okay sort command. Whereas okay if you want to okay remove a specific field, even okay we can also okay achieve it so by using this okay arc command. So okay here, so I have a requirement that, so I want to okay my requirement is I if there are any duplicates, so I want to okay remove those okay duplicates. I want to remove those okay duplicates. So in this case, so what we can okay achieve it. So we can also okay achieve it. For example, okay if you want to okay remove any okay specific field, so instead of okay doing that, so what we can do is okay arc in single quotations okay print okay $2, comma okay $3, comma okay $4, comma okay $5, comma okay $6, comma okay okay 7, comma okay $8, comma okay $9, comma $10, comma okay $11, comma $12, then okay $13, then okay okay 14, then okay 14. So we are trying to okay extract the fields okay whichever the fields okay were required. So now dollar okay 15. So if there is okay I mean if you are trying to extract if there is no specific field, you don't get any error message, you don't get any so error message. So it's no, you are not going to get any so error message. So okay here, so dollar 17, come okay dollar okay 18, come dollar 19, dollar okay 20, dollar okay 21, dollar okay 22. So in this case, so for example okay if you want to okay extract, so if you want to okay extract, so now you want to sort, then okay pipe okay unique. So we are going to get, so okay, we are going to get that okay values. So whatever the commands okay we have executed, all those commands we are going to okay get it. So this way okay I mean so it's not necessary. So whichever the command okay if you want to run it, so we can go ahead and okay use this so arc commands. So if you want to remove this, okay, I mean, or if you want to add a specific things, that okay, we can okay, achieve it okay, by using this okay arc command. So any doubts on okay here? So today we learn about arc command, and we also learn about how to perform a mathematical calculations. So tomorrow okay we'll try to okay learn about okay process related commands. So before that okay if there are okay, any commands that I need to be covered, so we'll try to cover that. Then then okay we'll switch to, yeah, we do have a one command called okay T. The name itself okay, we have a command called okay T. So okay the T is a command. It is an extension of okay pipe symbol. So what do we do with pipe symbol? So with help of pipe symbol, we are trying to transfer previous command output as an input to the next command, as an input to the so next command. For example, okay, let's consider. So okay here, so let's consider. So ls hyphen okay lrt pipe wc hyphen l. Now I have a requirement that I want to display the ls-lrt command output on screen. At the same way, if I want to okay, transfer the output, okay, transfer the previous command output as an input to the next command, then okay, we can use this. Okay, just type okay t here. So the output will be okay display on a screen, and okay, it will also okay t okay pipe okay wc hyphen okay l. So what this t command does is, so with help of okay t command, so I mean the okay the functionality of t is, so in a plumbing okay we are having a t okay, we are having a symbol called okay t, right? The same way, so okay we can use this okay the same way, okay we can use this okay t command, same way we can able to, so okay use this okay t command. So here, for example, okay, ls hyphen lrt pipe, okay, t underscore okay test dot okay txt, t underscore test dot okay txt. So in this case, what will happen? The output of the command ls hyphen lrt will display on a screen, and it will also copy the output to a file. It will also copy the output to a okay file. This is the way we can able to use this okay t command. Whereas okay, if you try to okay, use this okay t hyphen a, so what it does means it will try to append the data. It will try to append the so data. Now if you go and execute this cat command, okay, the output will be okay twice. So hyphen a means so append the output to a existing okay file. So if you want to okay, save the multiple files, for example, assume that the same output, so you want to okay, save it into okay, multiple files. So multiple files okay, you want to okay, save it. So for example, okay, here 4. So okay, here okay 3. So okay, here okay 2. So you want to achieve it, even that way also we can able to okay achieve. For example, ls hyphen okay lrt. So now all of them are having the same output. So this is the one advantages of okay t command. So t command what does means, with help of okay t command we can able to okay we can able to okay we can able to I mean so the main intent of the okay t command is, so t command is used to okay read from standard okay input and write to a standard output and okay files okay simultaneously. So which means that, so for example okay if you take a okay if you take a plumbing, for example okay ms paint. So so okay, how that okay in plumbing, for example, so assume that okay if you are having a pipe, so the water is okay coming on so okay this is the source of the okay input, and okay if you apply okay, if you apply a t symbol on okay here, what it does? So okay for example okay assume that okay the t symbol, so the output okay the water also flows on okay this ways, and okay here also, right? The same functionality on okay here also okay t command. T command and the t command is, so for example okay the source is okay coming from here, and okay if you want to transfer to the both directions, we can able to achieve it by using this okay t must be associated with pipe symbols. Without a pipe symbol there is no usage with the okay, t command. There is no usage with the okay t command. There is no usage with the okay t command. So in Unix, I forgot to tell you one command, so which is dmesc. So dmessage is a command. I think we already discussed about this one, dmessage. So what is the dmessage command? So okay, I mean dynamically, I mean whatever the messages, okay, if you are having varlog messages, from that varlog messages it can read and it can display the output, right? The same way. So if you want to okay display, if you want to copy the output to some other file, then okay we can use this okay dmessage commands and all. So it's very simple and straightforward command T command. So why do we go with the T command means the functionality of T is as similar as I mean it can take the input from a standard it can take the input from standards, and it can also display the output on a screen, and it will also transfer the output to a, it will also copy the or save the output to a okay file. So both if you want to achieve it, then obviously we can go ahead and okay use this okay T command. Okay. So along with this, okay, we discussed about stats and other commands. So definitely tomorrow, okay, we'll try. I will show you. So how to install. Okay, for example, now if I try to install, assume that I want to install mi-y. So okay, install okay BC. So we are trying to get that. So plugins, fast error message and all right. So I will try to okay see. Okay, for example, if you copy this one. So let me try to okay troubleshoot also. mzys stuck load plugins and all. So these are the okay. I mean, we can also okay, troubleshoot on this way against fast mirror. So what is the okay, answers they are trying to show? Conf and all. So they are trying to use. So okay, cannot context this. I will check and let you know because it's not straightforward. Okay.